You don't attract what you want. I think it's such a common misconception when it comes to manifestation techniques, and the entire spiritual community. People think that they want something or they need something, and this is such a powerful intention that it's going to manifest in their life. And it's not necessarily like this. It doesn't necessarily work like this. And in order to make a universal principle work for you, you first have to learn how this universal principle works, so you can use it to your advantage instead of using it to self-sabotage your life. So no, you never attract what you want. Forget about the want. Wanting always emphasizes lack. Wanting always emphasizes not having enough of something. Wanting keeps you in a lower frequency. Whenever you want something, you show the universe you don't already have it. And when you show the universe you don't already have it, the universe is just going to reflect this energy back to you. So forget about attracting what you want or manifesting what you want. You need to learn how to let go of this wanting mode in order to truly become a conscious creator of your reality. Because no, you don't attract what you want, you don't manifest what you want. You only attract and manifest what you are a vibrational match to. Let me repeat, you only attract and manifest what you are a vibrational match to. You only attract and manifest things that are in alignment with your current state of being, with your current frequency, with your current identity, with your current self-concept. And if wanting is a part of the self-concept, that's basically you're operating in the lack mentality. And operating in the lack mentality never will give you your desires. It will only perpetuate the lack of your desires in your current reality. So the key is to shift your perspective and to shift your entire state of being in order to merge energetically with the reality you want to experience. So as I've mentioned, in order to make a universal principle working for you, you first have to understand this universal principle. So you have to understand the law of attraction, the law of assumption, and the law of vibration. And all of these three laws are coming hand in hand when it comes to consciously creating your reality. So let's break down each of these laws so you can understand them better. First, we have the law of attraction, and the law of attraction simply states that the like energy always attracts like energy. So thus you're attracting from the infinite quantum field of potential. You're attracting things that are in current harmony with your frequency, with your present frequency, with your current frequency. The law of assumption is all about your identity. How you perceive yourself is how the universe perceives you. So it's all about your mindset. It's all about your state of being. It's all about your self-concept. The stronger your mindset, the stronger your self-concept, the better thoughts you have, the better feelings you entertain, the more you can embody the reality you want to experience. And then we have the law of vibration, which basically states that, again, everything is energy in this universe, and this energy vibrates with a certain frequency. And you are vibrating with a certain frequency, and you are creating your own energy field. And since you are energy, you can mold this energy, you can shape this energy. You are in charge of your own energy field. And what creates your energy? Your emotions. What is emotion? Emotion is energy in motion. So when you take care of your internal emotional state, you basically take care of your vibration. And the higher high vibrational states you entertain, and thus the higher high emotional states you entertain, you start resonating with different frequencies, with higher frequencies, and they start to reflect in your reality. So basically, you can call law of attraction, law of assumption, law of vibration the same thing. And frankly, it's pretty much is the same thing. It's just quantum physics. It's how this universe works. But it's so important to understand how this universe works. Because if you want to become a conscious creator of your reality, if you want to start designing your reality, creating your reality by design rather than by default, You have to understand how the reality works. So the most important thing to remember is that it all starts inside you. Your internal state of being affects your entire reality. And that's why wanting and needing will never give you a reality of your dreams. It's impossible because whenever you want something, you emphasize you don't already have it. And it's the feeling and the vibration and the energy of already being the person you want to become that creates tangible changes in your reality. So in order to create or manifest this thing you desire, the circumstances you desire, this life you desire, you have to merge with it at an energetic level. And what you're really doing, you're choosing one possibility from the infinite quantum field of potential, from the infinite quantum field of possibilities, and you merge your energy with this one possibility. And this possibility becomes your reality. And this is how it works. It all starts with you. So you have to let go of this wanting. You have to let go of this lack mentality, and you have to shift into the mentality of possession, of having this thing you want to manifest. So you have to teach yourself how to merge and feel the emotions connected with your manifestation. You have to teach yourself how to feel like you already have it, because this energy of already having this will create this in your reality. The energy of wanting this will not create anything you want in your reality. The energy of having this, being confident in experiencing it right now, will create miracles in your life because you will hop onto that frequency. And since your reality always mirrors and reflects your frequency, you have no other option but to experience this reality. So this is why it's so important to work on your belief system, because your subconscious mind governs 95% of your habitual thinking patterns, your habitual actions and behaviors. So once you get a grip on your subconscious mind, once you get a grip on your subconscious program, you basically start to influence your entire state of being, because you start thinking different thoughts, and this different thought will lead to different emotions, and different emotions, high vibrational emotions, will give you a different kind of reality. So it all starts with this inner work. Inner work is the key to manifesting all of your desires. Letting go of lack mentality is the key to manifesting anything you want, because the universe just reflects your state of being. The universe reflects how you perceive yourself and your reality. So in order to attract success, you have to feel like a successful person. You have to embody this identity. In order to attract love, you have to feel love. You have to put on the identity of a person who experiences love. If you want abundance, you have to put on an identity of an abundant person. So you basically send out this energy into the universe. You send out the self-image into the universe, and the universe just reflects it back to you, because this is how the universe works. You are the cause, and the universe is just the effect. You are the cause, and your reality is just an effect of your energy, of your dominant energetic state, of your dominant mindset, of your dominant self-concept. So start working on yourself, and you will start attracting and manifesting anything you want, because everything always starts inside you. So I hope this was helpful, and I hope that now you will understand how the entire manifestation, the entire conscious creation process works. You never attract what you want. You always attract and manifest what you are a vibrational match to. So start working on your energetic alignment with the thing you want to manifest. Start working on yourself, because the more you upgrade your mindset, the more you upgrade how you perceive yourself, the more you upgrade your dominant emotional state, the more you upgrade your reality, and the easier it is for you to start manifesting all of the things you want to manifest in your life. Because manifestation starts with you. It starts inside you. It starts on an inner level. You have to start working on yourself in order to experience this positive shifts and changes in your reality and this deliberate manifestation. You really have to understand the principles before you can apply them. Because wishful thinking will lead you nowhere. Deliberate creation will lead you everywhere. So start working on yourself. Start letting go of this lack mentality. Switch into the abundance mode, switch into the abundance mentality, and watch how everything you want manifests in your reality. If it resonated with you in any way whatsoever, please give this a big thumbs up. And thank you for being here. Thank you for connecting. Thank you for listening.